Today you are going to be practicing your shot. Start at the line and you have to run suicides. Suicides are running from line to line until I tell you that you can stop.
I'm the physics fairy, and I know why you aren't getting the ball into the goal. The ball is obviously going over the net. This is because you were kicking it at too great of an angle. The angle at which you were kicking the ball is 35 degrees. Since we know that you took your shot 13.9 meters away from the goal, and the goal is 2 meters high, we can fill out a Vivatit chart to solve for the missing values and get the largest possible angle that the ball can be kicked at to get it into the goal. To solve for the initial velocity in the vertical direction, use the formula Vf squared equals Vi squared plus 2AD. Solve for the vertical time, the formula Vf equals Vi plus At can be used. The horizontal time can be found by multiplying the vertical time by 2. You can then solve for the horizontal initial velocity by using the equation d equals Vit plus 1/2 At squared. Because the horizontal acceleration is 0 meters per second squared, the initial and final velocities are equal. This is the final Vivatit chart. Using the vertical and horizontal initial velocities, the largest possible angle at which the ball can be kicked can be determined using trigonometry.
The largest angle you can kick it at is 29.9 degrees. You can increase the angle you kick it at by putting your knee more over the ball.
Thank you, Physics Fairy, for teaching me how to correct my shot. Can you show me how to make it the best it can be?
Of course I can. One way that you can improve your shot is by applying more force to the ball.
The equation for force is F equals ma, F being the net force, m being the mass of the soccer ball, and a being the acceleration of the ball. Because we only know that the mass of the soccer ball is 0.429 kilograms, we have to determine the acceleration of the ball. We know that the ball started from rest. Using quantities from the previous Vivatit chart, we can use the equation A equals change in V over t to find the ball's acceleration. Now we can determine the net force.
Force. By increasing the amount of force that you apply to the ball, its speed will increase, which is ideal for the best shot. One way you can do this is by exercising your legs to make them stronger. Another way of improving your shot is following through with your leg. A follow-through is a completion of motion. An impulse is the product of net force acting on an object and the time during which the force acts. The impulse delivered to the object is equal to its change in momentum.
By following through, your leg will be in contact with the ball for longer, thus increasing the product of the net force and the time. Therefore, the change in momentum will increase, causing the object to travel faster and therefore farther. In this case, the object is the soccer ball and the force acting on the ball is your leg. We can solve for the change in momentum by using the equation P equals mv.
There's more.
The ball's change in momentum is equal to 4.68 kilograms times meters per second. This is also the impulse delivered to the ball. The greater the change in momentum, the faster and farther the ball will go, which is ideal for a soccer player's kick.
Coach, I figured out what was wrong with my shot. I was kicking it at too great of an angle.
You still have to run suicides. Go. Okay.
You see that big white thing right there? That's a goal!
Really? Okay, can we do this, please?
Yeah.